In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,525 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic. I made this commission in the month of May, this month, from the first day of May until the day 26th of May. I made $15,525. In today's video, guys, I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube. For beginners, I will show you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how we can use free traffic to promote your affiliate links, how you can earn commission, how you can choose a profitable affiliate links that you can promote, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share with you for free. And let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because it's profitable. They are really paying a good commission. If you get just 2 people or 3 people to buy a service from your affiliate link, you can make a lot of money. Okay, anyway, just click over here on join now like this. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and you can choose your country over here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Just answer next few questions. It's super easy. It's gonna take just few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. This will be your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go to choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. You need to go to your YouTube homepage. Go and open your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, and what you will do, you will click over here on the search and you will ask question. Okay, so for example, you will ask how to create drop, for example, let's take drop shipping. Okay, how to create drop shipping, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. What people are searching for right now on YouTube. Okay, this is report search prediction. That's what people are searching for. People are searching for how to create drop shipping website, how to create drop shipping account on Shopify, how to create drop shipping store, how to create drop shipping ads. Guys, people who are searching for those services, they have money. Okay, those people who want to start dropshipping, they have money, and we will give those people a good service that will help them to create a good dropshipping store and make money. So it's win-win. Okay, those people will get a good service and we will get a good dropshipping store, and for me, I will earn commission. Okay, and did you know, guys, let me show you, YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly. 31 billion monthly visitors. You should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1, YouTube is number 2. Okay, anyway, so what you will do next, let's take this one, dropshipping website. I will go back to your home page on Fiverr, click on the search for dropshipping. Okay, like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service. So what you will do next is you just need to choose a good seller. Choose like level 1 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback and the reviews of those sellers. So that's why you need to choose good sellers. Okay, so let me choose good one. So let me see if we can find like this one. I think this one is good. This one has 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Guys, look at this, 35 orders in queue. Look at this, it's almost 2000 reviews. You see how many dropshipping Shopify store service this seller has sold? Do you see how many people are buying this service? Those people who keep saying it's not working, people will not buy those services from you. If those people will not buy, which people are buying this one? Of course, those people who are searching for how to create dropshipping website. Yes, I agree with you guys. Not a lot of people are searching for how to create dropshipping websites for free. But a lot of people in the other side, a lot of people want to get a good and a professional dropshipping website. Okay, so that's why we choose this service. Okay, so this seller has a video that's really good. Let's check.
Hi, my name is Nick, and I'm here to help you on the right path to success with opening your brand new Shopify store. If you are looking to achieve passive income, then you found the right place.
That's really good, guys. Choose. Also, I want you guys to choose sellers who has videos like this one. Okay, why? Because videos can converse better. Like this one is talking with his customers, explaining his service. It's not like just using pictures. Using sellers who has videos will be really helpful for you guys. Okay, so double click on the video, click on save video. Okay, and you need to save this video to your laptop. I will name this video, for example, store. Okay, save. Okay, and what you will do next, okay, after you save this video to your laptop, and what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, postback, sub affiliate. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link. Put this seller profile link here. Click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go to Google and we will search for Canva. We will use Canva to edit this video that we just uploaded to our laptop. Search for Canva, click on the first link. It's for free, of course. You just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page on Canva. Click on video. You will be directly in this page like this. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, the video about store. Okay, so let me click on upload, and here you go. This is my video.
Hi, my name is Nick, and I'm here to help you on the
amazing. And here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your video. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background. And here you go. Click over here on text. Scroll down. Choose which style of text you want to use. I will use, for example, this one. So just click on the text style that you want to use. And your text style will be here. I will delete this second part. And I will decrease the font size of my text like this, and I will put this text here. Double click on your text, write this sentence, check. Okay, check link in my description. Check link in my description, and make your text like this. It's really super easy. Put this text here like this. Go over here to elements, click on elements. Okay, scroll down, go to scroll down, go to ships and click over here on this one. Click on color, use black color. Put this, let me show you, put this ship behind your text like this, and here you go. Okay, it's now looking good. Check link in my description.
Hi, my name is Nick, and I'm here to help you on the right path to success with opening your brand new Shopify store. If you are looking to achieve passive income, then you found the right place. We have helped many.
But it's really amazing. Okay, click on share after you finish. Click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel. Okay, guys, it's super easy to create a YouTube channel. I think I don't need to show you how you can do it, because it's super. You just need to use your email address. It will take just 1-2 minutes. It's super easy. After you create your YouTube channel, use this title, how to create dropshipping website, like this, okay? Or this one, how to create dropshipping account on Shopify. They are almost the same, but just use one of those titles. Guys, don't add or change anything. Use the same title. Why you should use the same title? Because those people who are searching for how to create dropshipping websites can find your video in YouTube search results. Okay, if you are using those titles, your video will never rank on YouTube search, and it's gonna take just few time. It's gonna take some time to rank the video on YouTube search. Then after you start ranking your video, you will start getting free traffic from YouTube search. People who are searching for how to create dropshipping store, they will watch your video and they will see this. Check link in description. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. I want also to explain this, guys. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can see this one, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. It's have been almost like 5 years I'm doing this business, okay? But you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. And that's it. It's really super easy, guys. Okay? Put this title, use this title, how to create dropshipping website. In your title, in your YouTube description, you can write like this sentence. In this video, I show you step by step how you can create a dropshipping website. Just use the same title. You need those keywords should be in your title and in your description, so people can find your video on YouTube. Okay? So I'm sharing with you guys the method that I'm using. In your YouTube description, put your affiliate link, and that's it. Start using those methods and promote. Of course, you need to stay consistent. So for example, let's say, okay, let me show you. So for example, if you promote this one, so we use this one. You guys need to use, you can use other sellers. You can use like this one, top rated seller. Okay, it's the same service, but you can use different sellers. Okay, use this one, use like 5 and 10 the same services 10 times. Okay, then go and use different service again and use a lot of sellers. Okay, and that's it. I'm also, guys, working on an affiliate marketing course that will cover everything from scratch. Okay, the course can be done in the next month. I'm giving this course time, so because I want to add everything. Okay, so you don't need anything, you just need to follow the steps that I will share with you in my course, and you can start making really a lot of money with affiliate marketing using YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Google, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and so much more. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you to start your affiliate marketing business. So make sure to watch this, make sure to leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to this channel, because I will still share a lot of new methods in this YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those methods that I will share for free. And that's it, and see you in my next videos.